Really?
I don't know.
Say hello to everyone. Hello. Barely make him look at me. There you go. I look like I'm bald. I have a big forehead. I have a chubby face. It's very round. My face is very round. I look like a cartoon. I look like a drawing.
Oh!
I look like a drawing. That's how circly my face is. I don't really look like that. What are you doing?
Okay, let's delete this video.
No, I'm putting it on YouTube. This is hilarious. I'm putting this on YouTube. Yes, everything you say will be in this video.
Well, no.
Yes.
No.
Yes, if you stop it now, it'll just be really, really short.
What?
I can make it on YouTube right now.
No, I
can-
don't want you
I
to
can-
do it. I
I
don't
will.
want you to do it.
I will.
No, you won't.
Only like 50 people in the world will see it, and they won't even comment. Or like. Or not like it. This is just hilarious. I'm going to cover the camera.
Cover the camera.
No. Okay, don't. Oh, flashlight. Oh, wonderful.
Okay, let's turn this off.
Okay.